Good evening, everyone. Today, we delve into a critical aspect of our education system, the integrity of public examinations. On 5th February 2024, a significant stride was taken with the introduction of the Public Examinations, Prevention of Unfair Means, Bill 2024 in the Lok Sabha. This bill is designed to safeguard the sanctity of public examinations, ensuring a level playing field for all candidates. Public examinations covered. The scope of the bill extends to various authoritative bodies, including the Union Public Service Commission, Staff Selection Commission, Railway Recruitment Board, National Testing Agency, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, and departments of the central government and their attached offices for recruitment. Offences in relation to public examinations. The bill identifies and defines several offences that compromise the fairness of public examinations. These include collusion or conspiracy to facilitate unfair means, unauthorized access to question papers, assisting candidates during exams, tampering with computer networks, documents, and conducting fake examinations for monetary gain. Penalties for offences. The penalties for these offences are significant, ranging from imprisonment of 3 to 5 years and fines up to 10 lakh rupees. It is crucial to understand the gravity of these consequences to deter any attempts to compromise the examination process. Responsibilities of service providers. The bill also places responsibilities on service providers, organizations providing computer resources or support to public examination authorities. They are obligated to report any violations to the police and the concerned examination authority. Failure to report is considered an offense. Additionally, shifting exam centers without permission, committing offenses, and non-compliance can lead to severe penalties, including fines and a ban on conducting public examinations for 4 years. Personal liability for directors and management. The bill makes individuals in leadership positions within service providers personally liable for offences committed under their watch. Directors, senior management, or persons in charge can face imprisonment between 3 and 10 years and a fine of 1 crore rupees. Organized crimes and higher punishments. In recognizing the severity of organized crimes related to public examinations, the bill imposes higher punishments. Individuals involved in such crimes face imprisonment between 5 and 10 years and a fine of at least 1 crore rupees. Institutions found guilty may have their properties attached and forfeited, with a proportionate cost recovery from them. Inquiry and investigation process. All offences under the bill are deemed cognizable, non-bailable, and non-compoundable. To ensure a thorough investigation, officers not below the rank of Deputy Superintendent or Assistant Commissioner of Police will handle these cases. Additionally, the central government holds the authority to transfer investigations to central investigating agencies. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Public Examinations, Prevention of Unfair Means, Bill 2024 is a crucial step towards maintaining the integrity of our public examinations. By imposing strict penalties on various offences, ensuring the accountability of service providers, and addressing organized crimes, this bill aims to create a fair and transparent examination system. As stakeholders in the education system, it is our collective responsibility to support and adhere to these regulations, fostering an environment where merit truly prevails. Thank you for your attention, and let us actively contribute to the integrity of our education system.